Yeah, I butchered that side just a little bit, but I don't care. I wasn't being overly attentive to it. It's part of the daily driver beater feel. I got a couple other ones in the mail. Hey, Noonie. And Daddy's baby just be so thrilled to help him. I got a couple more in the mail. I got a Mopar one in the mail, and I think I got some Sunoco gas in the mail. And I'm gonna tape off and do some stripes, little stripes on the side, war stripes. I mean, because the Grandpa Cruiser feel is cool, and I understand that if I was trying to keep it OG, and that ain't what I'm going for. I'm going for a Luxo Sport type of feel. It won't be overdone, but it's gonna be just enough to let a motherfucker know this ain't no hoe. Cause I'm not doing nothing to this. I might goddamn change the valve covers, dress it up a little bit. I will be running my exhaust how I want them to sit. Don't know if I'm gonna because as I always say, you want to run duals out the back of these. You gotta cut that. Take some 2-inch holes to fill the gap. Loosen these straps and scoop the tank over 3 inches. Is the only way that you're gonna get the exhaust to clear on both sides of that. I personally would like it like that, but I'm not gonna go through all of that and butcher that part of my car for it. So I'm probably gonna kick them both out of that side, or I might just have them hang somewhat, not like cocked out at a 45 or what we call cowboy, but just like kind of turn downs, visible turn downs, right up at the front of the quarter panel, right behind the tire maybe. We'll see, because I most likely just get jiggy with it and kick it out on that side, because the van is the only thing that I've owned that had dual same side exit exhaust. But yeah, I'm gonna do my pipes, dress the 318 up. Hold on, baby. Just for my little visual appeal, and work on getting this Gen 3 in here. Take the transmission, that's the spare transmission that I got, throw a deep pan on it. The car's computer would still shift the transmission, so it really all depends on the setup that I get. I might keep the Hemi fuel injected. If not, split the diff and throw a carb on it. But yep, that's where we headed with it. Y'all stay tuned. Peace.